Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Galaxy Tab 8i8 and I want to show you how to remove magnification to this device. Start off opening settings application. In it, scroll down and look for accessibility button where we have our magnification in vision. There we must turn on it by swipe down and turn on and choose how we want to activate it. Maybe on our tap accessibility button, and we have accessibility button there. Tap on it to activate our magnification. To change position of that, use 2 fingers and swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or when you use 1 finger you can go up and down in this zoom. To turn off, press again on your shortcut. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.